Social entrepreneurship is the art of combining business sense with social responsibility. It involves addressing the concerns of the society by providing solutions to the social problems through a viable business model. For example, we have gone to the Araku Valley Tribal Museum for an excursion. The tribal people make excellent handiwork and the social entrepreneur sells them to the tourists and makes money as well as profit. The tribal people find an expression for their art and also get recognition and wages. The Government of India has also taken up several initiatives to encourage social entrepreneurship. Let us now understand the concept of social entrepreneurship and how it works in practice more closely.
Talking about entrepreneurship, when you're talking about innovations, this is one field where we can get into. And I think the innovations which create employment, innovations in the social sector is also could be clubbed in a different way.
Can news be used to drive social good? And with that idea, we just started covering stories of people who are already making a change, started putting these stories together, and then over a period of time, through word of mouth, we really grew into this large community of people who are identifying these change makers, reporting to us, and there's this whole larger community of people who started to read us, and that's how we really evolved into being what we are today, a social enterprise. Yeah.
So, what according to you, what sets social entrepreneurship apart from the rest?
Well, in some sense, the easiest way to define it is an entrepreneur is somebody who uses, within his limited constraints, tries to be very successful. Now, if you're looking at social challenges, their challenges are huge, chances of success is very limited. So if there are brave hearts who are trying to actually solve problems that they know are much more difficult, opportunity to make money is actually questionable. It's not that it is going to be less or more, it's just that you don't know how much money you will make and how long it will take.
So we now know that social entrepreneurs try to address social problems, but it is still a business. How does it work? Do social entrepreneurs make money? I have talked to Mr. Sabyasachi Mahapatra of Water Health. Let's hear what he has to say. Water Health provides pure drinking water to an estimated 5 million people at concessional rates in rural India as well as some countries in Africa. As you said that the margin of the profit is not very high. What keeps you on going on? What is the motivation or inspiration for you keeping on in this business over Water Health?
Yeah, so we need to realize that Water Health is a social enterprise. Having said that, profit becomes extremely important. Somebody has to meet this requirement. End of the day, somebody has to meet this requirement. If we don't do it as a social enterprise, we don't do it, some NGOs will come and do it. We try to, since there are no profits, very low profits, we are still doing it. But that is the expectations very clearly laid down by our investors and our board of directors, that we don't need to make significant amount of money, we need to touch as many lives as possible. Having said that, profitability is also important, because no good cause will continue if there is no adequate money involved in it. So we try to make enough money to keep it running and keep people interested in this. But we can't charge more because we are trying to serve the bottom of the pyramid.
So we see that social entrepreneurship is about creating value by impacting as many lives as possible and not just making money. Hope you enjoyed watching our video. Thank you.